As we approach 2024, there are so many credit cards to select from that it's nearly impossible to determine which one is ideal for you, especially if you're new. First and foremost, if you're just starting out on your credit path, you should adhere to some credit card best practices. Make sure you pay your payments on time and in full each month. These two activities alone will account for 65% of your credit score. Also, when looking for an excellent beginner credit card, keep 3 things in mind: no annual fee, cashback earnings of more than 1%, and a sign-up bonus. Number 1. Discover It Secured Credit Card. The Discover It Secured Credit Card provides simple cashback, as well as an unlimited match of all cashback earned during the first year. This might be an excellent strategy to establish credit while also earning some extra money. A deposit is required as a secured card, but it can be returned with consistent on-time payments. Earn 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants on purchases of up to $1,000 per quarter. In addition, get unlimited 1% cash back on all other payments. Also, Discover offers unlimited cashback match, which automatically matches all cashback earned at the end of the first year. Yes, even there is no annual charge. After 7 months, Discover will assess your account to decide whether you are eligible to move to an unsecured account. Take note that the cash back on restaurants and petrol stations is limited to $1,000 per quarter in total spending. Number 2. Capital One Saver One Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Saver One Student Cash Rewards Credit Card offers rewards for spending in student-friendly categories such as restaurants, entertainment, certain streaming services, and grocery stores. With no annual cost, it's a great option for students with fair credit who want to develop their credit profile while receiving cash back. So, when talking about rewards, you receive 3% cash back on dining, entertainment, popular streaming services, and grocery stores, 5% cash back on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, 8% cash back on Capital One Entertainment purchases, and 1% on all other purchases. You even get a welcome bonus. You can earn $50 after spending $100 within the first 3 months. Number 3. Chase Freedom Rise. For a first-time credit card user, the Chase Freedom Rise provides excellent rewards. It also includes some useful features like zero liability, extended warranty, purchase protection, and trip cancellation insurance for no annual cost. So as a reward, you get 1.5% cash back on every purchase. Upon enrolling in automatic payments within the first 3 months of the account's creation, you will receive a $25 statement credit as a welcome offer. Chase claims that you will be evaluated for a credit line increase in as little as 6 months. Number 4. Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Credit Card. While the Capital One Quicksilver One Cash Rewards Credit Card has an annual fee, it can still be a good alternative for someone who needs an unsecured credit card with rewards, but does not qualify for other options. You will receive a 1.5% cashback on all purchases, and 5% cashback on hotels and rental vehicles booked through Capital One Travel. This card does not provide a welcome bonus and has an annual fee of $39. Realistically, this card's biggest selling point is that it earns rewards, and you'll like its flat rate cashback, which can be redeemed as statement credits, paper checks, or gift cards. Aside from that, the card should be viewed primarily as a stepping stone as you establish credit. When you're better qualified, you'll have more intriguing credit card options. Number 5. Citi Double Cash Card. The Citi Double Cash Card has a simple cashback reward system. All card purchases earn 1% cash back. When you make such purchases, you will receive an additional 1% cash back. Yes, you can get 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when they are made, and another 1% when they are paid off. Also, earn $200 cash back after spending $1,500 on purchases during the first 6 months after account opening, which is credited as 20,000 thank you points. There is no annual cost. The Citi Double Cash Card provides a few additional rewards. It works best as a flat rate cashback card. However, with a 3% foreign transaction fee, it's not ideal for overseas travel. Number 6. Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card. The Bank of America customized cash reward secured credit card provides competitive rewards not often found on secured cards, all while charging no annual fee. For those who do not qualify for an unsecured card, this card allows them to receive reasonable rewards while developing their credit history. You can get a 3% cashback in one of the following categories: petrol and EV charging, online shopping, dining, travel, drug shops, or home furnishings, 2% cash back at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and unlimited cash back on everything else. This card does not provide a welcome bonus and has no annual cost. Also, as a secured card, you must make at least $200 security deposit to start an account, which determines your credit limit. But this deposit may be returned at Bank of America's discretion with on-time payments. If used appropriately, a secured credit card can be an excellent method to improve credit. Whether secured or not, the best credit cards for credit building report your payments to all 3 major credit bureaus. Make sure you confirm with the issuer that your payment history will be reported to the bureaus before applying for the card. However, you should never have more credit cards than you can handle appropriately. Managing credit cards wisely entails consistently making on-time payments and avoiding debt. If you can manage multiple credit cards responsibly, having 2 or 3 can help you maximize rewards by using cards with higher rates on different categories of spending. Finally, before you receive your first credit card, make sure you're prepared for the responsibilities. This means you have a budget in place and a method for tracking your expenditures. When you're ready to apply for a starter credit card, you must first decide on 2 things: what types of expenditures you want to make with the card, and how much you can afford to spend and repay each month. Consider whether you want a rewards credit card. You won't have many options as you once start climbing the credit ladder, but some of the finest starter cards for establishing credit provide cashback benefits. Check your budget to discover where your major spending is. This exercise will assist you in locating a low-interest credit card. That has brought us to the end of this video. So, what are your thoughts about today's video? Don't forget to leave them all in the comments section below.